The rechargeable sprayer in the Pesti Smart Pest Plan kit pressurizes and delivers product through a trigger nozzle powered by an internal battery. The sprayer charges via the included USB-C cable and requires the full charging cycle until all 4 indicator lights are steady to ensure maximum runtime and consistent spray pressure. Before each use, inspect the nozzle for clogs by running warm water through it and gently clearing debris with a soft brush if needed. Fill the bottle only to the marked fill line using the recommended formulation and tighten the cap until you hear the click so the internal seal engages and prevents leaks. Power the unit by pressing the battery button once to prime and again to engage the pump. Then use smooth, even trigger pulls to maintain a consistent mist pattern. Rapid short pulls can cause sputtering or uneven application. After spraying, depressurize the system by activating the trigger until spray stops, then rinse the bottle and nozzle with clean water to remove residue that could harden and block passages. For storage between treatments, wipe the exterior dry, ensure the battery is at least partially charged, and place the sprayer in the included pouch to protect the charge port and nozzle from dust and damage. Common mistakes include charging only briefly and assuming the battery is full, which leads to weak pump pressure during application. Wait for all 4 lights to be steady before relying on full performance. Another issue is overfilling past the marked line or using thick concentrates without proper dilution, which can strain the pump and clog the nozzle. Always measure and dilute exactly as the product instructions require. A third frequent problem is storing the sprayer wet or with leftover product inside, causing corrosion or internal clogs. Always run clean water through the system, allow it to dry, and store it in the pouch with the cap off a bit if recommended by the product guide. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and provide practical project information that complements tools like the Pesti sprayer. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we and other users share tips, ask questions, and find work opportunities for contractors.